why only KP astrology? There are various other modalities. What makes this modality different from other modalities? There is a Vedic astrology, there's numerology, Lal Kitab astrology. But why you guys are here to learn only KP astrology? Do you know any difference that what makes this modality different from other modalities? क्या आप सबको पता है कि केपी एस्ट्रोलॉजी की मोडालिटी बाकी मोडालिटी से क्यों डिफरेंट है? So guys, KP astrology is basically known for its accuracy in event prediction. Yes, Vinita ji said that KP is more accurate. Yes, this is very accurate modality in case of event prediction, in case of exact event prediction. Yes, guys, there are 2 to 3 participants who replied in the chat box correctly that KP astrology is known for its accuracy in event prediction. If you guys wanted to calculate the event of anything, like if you want to calculate the event of whether you want to calculate the event of right career in your chart, in your kundli, like all the questions relating to when, how, where, why, all these questions are accurately answered by KP astrology. All right, and today we are going to discuss this in whole of this class. So let me just discuss one thing with you, like how we are going to learn this modality. Basically, this complete class is divided in 3 segments. We divide this our super class in 3 segments. In first segment, we are going to learn about what is KP astrology, about basics of KP astrology, its principles, its rules, its techniques, all these things we are going to learn in first segment of our class. And in second segment of the class, we'll be having a quiz round. I'm going to put 2 to 3 questions in front of you all. We'll be having our quiz round, and whosoever is the first three winners, the first three winners in this quiz round are going to get free live prediction from Professor Krish. And in last and third segment, I am going to explain you guys like how you can learn this modality in detail, how you can become expert in KP astrology, how you can master in how can you master this modality. Let me just introduce to you guys with your mentor. So you guys are going to learn this modality from very renowned and a very experienced teacher, that is Professor Krish Murali. Guys, he's having 4K plus followers on Instagram, and he's having more than 135K plus followers on YouTube. You can even check his Instagram handle and YouTube handle, guys. Moreover, guys, he have featured in various podcasts. आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं सर ने बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट भी कर रखे हैं. He is known for his meditation techniques. He moreover, guys, इसके साथ साथ he is featured in TEDx, and सर का एक पॉडकास्ट भी आ रखे हैं ऑन इनसाइड हेवन विद प्रोफेसर क्रिश. तो आज आपको बहुत ही अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है इतने रिनाउंड और इतने एक्सपीरियंस्ड टीचर से पढ़ने की. मोर ओवर, गाइज, ही इज फेमस फॉर मेकिंग द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट केपी एस्ट्रोलॉजी टूल किट. सर ने खुद एक केपी रिलेटेड टू केपी एस्ट्रोलॉजी टूल किट फॉर्म किया. सो ही इज फेमस फॉर मेकिंग द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट केपी एस्ट्रोलॉजी टूल किट, एंड वो भी हम आज इस क्लास में बताने वाले दैट हाउ यू कैन एबल टू गेट दैट टूल किट. ऑलराइट गाइस, तो एक बार मुझे प्लीज फटाफट से चैट बॉक्स बता दीजिए आई यू गाइस आर एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस क्लास. एंड वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल गाइस, टुडे today's birthday of your mentor, so I want you guys to just wish him a very happy birthday in the chat section, guys. And guys, sir ने अपने बर्थडे पे आप सबके लिए इतना टाइम निकाला है. He is here to teach you. He is here on his birthday to serve this modality. He is here on this birthday to provide you the right knowledge, to provide you the right education, so that you guys can excel in this modality. And guys, sir have already joined us. I want you guys to give warm welcome to sir in the chat section so that he can start our class. Hello, sir. Am I audible to you?
Be blessed by the divine. How are you, Mandriji?
I'm very fine, sir. How are you?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the lovely introduction. Thank you, everyone,